Rajasthan Knowledge Corporation Limited (RKCL) offers a diploma computer course called Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology, that is RSCIT. The main purpose behind this course is to make youth tech-friendly. The course is organized with a collaboration with Vardhan Mahaveer Open University (VMOU). The duration of the course is 3 months and is offered in English and Hindi. The candidates can apply for the same before 3 months of the exam date, and the exam is held on March. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene, and today we at Youth for Work bring you another video on an exam which is called as Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology (RSCIT). If you wish to know more about the eligibility, watch the video till the end. As per the nationality or citizenship, the candidate must be an Indian citizen. As per the educational qualification, the candidate must have a basic knowledge regarding the course. As for the age limit, there is no age limit. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene, and today we at Youth for Work bring you another video on an exam which is called as Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology, that is RSCIT. If you wish to know more about the exam pattern, watch the video till the end. As per the exam pattern, the test will be of 70 marks. The exam will have 35 multiple choice question type questions. The medium of the language of the questions will be English and Hindi. There is no negative marking. 2 marks will be awarded for each correct answer. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene, and today we at Youth for Work bring you another video on an exam which is called as Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology, that is RSCIT. If you wish to know more about the tips, watch the video till the end. You need to finish RSCIT exam, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 35 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limit attached to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the time limit. For this, I would recommend the Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work.